Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy staying in your home. Today in 6th class English Unit 1 we are going to start. In this Unit 1 again we have 3 parts. In that 3 parts today we are going to start the first part. That is clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Okay students, shall I ask you one question? Who is Tenali Ramakrishna? Yes, he is well known poet in the dynasty of Sri Krishna Devaraya called Vijaya Nagaram dynasty. He is very famous and well known poet, and also he called with the name Vikatakavi. Vikatakavi means jovial and funny poet who is very humorous and jovial, and he was the most cleverest poet. Okay students? Okay students, we have heard lot of stories about Tenali Ramakrishna. We have listened from our grandparents and we have many cartoons about him. So in this first session we have very interesting topic about him. Okay, about him and Sri Krishna Devaraya happened in the Vijayanagaram dynasty. Okay students, shall we start the lesson? Yes. Here is one picture. Look at the picture and answer the questions that follow. First question is, what do you see in the picture? Yes, there is a court. People are there. There is a king and there are lot more people in the court. Right children? Okay, next question. Who is sitting on the throne? Obviously, the king will be sitting on the throne. Here, the king is Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay students, next third question we have. Can you guess the person who covered his head with a pot? Do you have any guess? The person? Yes, he is our story's hero, Tenali Ramakrishna. I already said that he is very jovial person and very humorous and funny. Right students? Next we have fourth question. Do you know any funny incident related to Tenali Ramakrishna? Yes, here I'll give you task. Ask your parents or grandparents or search on Google and let me know any funny incident about Tenali Ramakrishna and share with me. Okay students? Now we are going to read the lesson. Okay? Look at this picture students. Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Chitravarma was the famous, Chitravarma was the most famous painter in Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. Obviously, in Sri Krishna Devaraya's court or in the kingdom, many talented people will be present, right? In the talented people, we have famous painter Chitravarma. And one more thing I want to tell you students, have you heard about Ashtadhiggaja poets? Yes, there are 8 poets who are most famous poets in the dynasty of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Do you know their names? One more task for you now. Search about Ashtadiggaja 8 poets and let me know those poet names. Okay? Those 8 poets names. Okay, students? Chitravarma was the most famous painter in Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. The emperor was pleased with Chitravarma's paintings. Who is the emperor or king of Vijayanagara dynasty? Yes, Sri Krishna Devaraya. That Sri Krishna Devaraya was very impressed with paintings of Chitravarma. People from the kingdom also liked his paintings. He is very famous painter, children, right? That's why still today also we are discussing about him. Okay. One fine day he was very busy painting the picture. Sri Krishna Devaraya happened to visit him on that day. So, what happens when Sri Krishna Devaraya visited Chitravarma that day? Let's find out. Okay. Then the conversation between Chitravarma, Sri Krishna Devaraya and the people in that situation started. Chitravarma said, "Welcome, Your Majesty." Chitravarma is welcoming Sri Krishna Devaraya. Majesty is the word that is used to give respect to the kings. Okay, students? Then Sri Krishna Devaraya replied, "Oh, what a beautiful picture. It looks so natural." So children, this is what we call conversation. Conversation means, look at the picture. Some people are talking, right? In earlier picture we have observed that, right? Chitravarma, Sri Krishna Devaraya, the courtiers, Ramakrishna, right? That means they are doing conversation, talking with each other. That was, we call it as a conversation. What is Sri Krishna Devaraya said while looking after the picture of Chitravarma? "Oh, what a beautiful picture. It looks so natural." Then the courtiers. "Yes, yes, Your Majesty. Really, it is wonderful." Courtiers means the remaining people. The soldiers, ministers in that court are called courtiers. Then Sri Krishna Devaraya said, "No painter on earth can compete with you, Chitravarma. You are a unique painter." Means no one can beat you. No one can have competition with you, as you are number one. You have a different style. You can't follow anyone. You have own style. You shall be rewarded. What do you say, Ramakrishna? Sri Krishna Devaraya asked Tenali Ramakrishna. Tenali Ramakrishna was the cleverest person in all ministers of Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. So, whenever he wants to take any decision, he will take suggestions from Tenali Ramakrishna. Let's see what was Tenali Ramakrishna's views about Chitravarma's paintings in next session. Okay, students? Thank you.